Do you know the difference? Will you be able to distinguish between
rat and mouse, pigeon and dove, boa and python, leopard and cheetah, crow and raven, crocodile and alligator, gorilla and baboon, heron and crane, hare and rabbit, eagle and kite, tortoise and turtle, duck and goose, jackal and fox, ostrich and emu, ass and donkey?
Let us take a quick look at the differences without, of course, getting into the scientific details.
Rat and mouse. Rat is Eli in Tamil, whereas mouse is Sundeli. Mouse has larger ears and longer tail compared to those of the rat. A young rat has larger feet and head compared to the body than a mouse. A mouse is usually light grey or brown in color with a lighter shade on the belly. Pigeon and dove. Pigeon is a fat grey bird that often lives in town in tall buildings. In Tamil, it's Madapura. A dove looks like a pigeon but is smaller and lighter in color. Doves are used as a symbol of peace. In Tamil, we call it Manipura. Boa and python. Both are Malai Pambu. Boas are smaller than python. Boas and anacondas give birth to young ones, whereas pythons are egg-laying. Fully grown pythons are longer than boas, but anacondas of the boa species are the heaviest. Leopard and cheetah. Leopard and cheetah are large wild animals of the cat family, and both are referred to as Sirthai in Tamil. Cheetahs are tall and slender, and they are the fastest runners. Leopards are stronger and bulkier than cheetahs. Cheetahs have round and oval spot shapes on its body, and a leopard has rosettes which are rose-like markings. The cheetahs have two tear lines that run from the inside corner of their eyes down to the outside edges of their mouth. This is a special feature of the cheetahs. Leopards, cheetahs, jaguars, panthers and tigers belong to the cat family. Crow and raven. Crow is called Kagam or Arisi Kaka in Tamil. Raven is Andam Kaka. The raven is all black. Ravens differ from crows in appearance by their larger bill, tail shape, flight pattern and by their large size. Ravens are as big as red-tailed hawks and crows are about the size of pigeons. Crocodile and alligator. Crocodiles are more aggressive than alligators and more dangerous. Crocodiles tend to live in saltwater habitats and alligators in freshwater marshes and lakes. Crocodiles have slender V-shaped muzzles, whereas alligators have U-shaped faces that are wide and short. Gorilla and baboon. Gorilla is Manida Kurangu, a very large powerful African ape with a black or brown hairy body. Baboon is a large African or Asian monkey with a long face like a dog's. The large, long, armed orangutan and chimpanzees, the small intelligent animals without tail, also belong to the ape family. Heron and crane. To know the difference between heron and crane, we have to look at the neck. Herons curve their neck into an S shape, and when they are flying, they pull them totally back, while crane's neck sticks straight out. Cranes, like storks, fly with their necks outstretched. Cranes have shorter beaks than herons. Rabbit and hare. Rabbits are called Kuli Muyal in Tamil. They are small animals with long ears and large front teeth. They move by jumping on their long back legs. They live in burrows dug into the soil. Hares are animals like rabbits but bigger, with longer ears and legs. Newborn rabbits are blind and naked, but hares are born fully furred and with their eyes open. Eagle and kite. Eagles are big, grand birds with powerful bodies and broad wings. They are known to be hunters that carry the prey to a perch for feeding. Kites are smaller and have small weights. They are known to be scavengers. Eagles, kites, vultures, hawks, and falcon are all birds of prey with minor differences. Tortoise and turtle. The tortoise is larger than turtle and has a dome-shaped shell. The shells of the tortoise are larger and heavier than the shells of the turtles that are lightweight. The turtles have flat shells. Tortoise spend most of their time on land and turtles are adapted to life in water. Goose and duck. Geese are larger than ducks. They have longer necks, more elongated body and longer legs compared to ducks. Ducks are usually smaller. Geese have shorter, narrower beaks, whereas ducks have relatively long, wide-tipped bills. A close relative of the duck and the goose is the long-necked, heavy-bodied, big-footed swan that glides majestically and gracefully down the water and with necks overstretched. Jackal and fox. Jackal and fox, along with wolf, belong to the same species. Fox is the smallest member of the family. It has a long and narrow snout, beautiful and hairy coat, and a brush-like tail. Jackal has large, elongated body with dull coat color. Its snout is longer. Ostrich and emu. Both ostrich and emu are called Thee-Koli or Neruppu-Koli. They are large, flightless birds. Of the two, emu is smaller, shorter, and weighs less. Ostrich has the largest eyes of any land animal and has 2 toes and a claw. An emu has 3 toes. The male ostrich is black and white in color, the female grey-brown. Emu chicks hatch with stripes. They turn chocolate brown and in 12 to 14 months, emu have indigo-colored feathers. Both birds lay large eggs. The ostrich lays the largest of any bird. Ostrich eggs are white and emu lays greenish-blue eggs. Ass and donkey. Here is a task for you. Please find the features that distinguish an ass from a donkey and post it in the comment box. Thank you.